So guys, for the first method, you want to look in the bottom right of your taskbar for the arrow. Now once you find this, you want to click on it. And if you see uTorrent in this list right here, you want to right click on it and then click on exit uTorrent, which will now close uTorrent. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, if you see uTorrent in this list right here, then you want to close it. So if you do see uTorrent, then you want to click on it and then click on End Task. You could also go to the Details tab, and if you see uTorrent in this list, then you want to click on uTorrent and then click on End Task as well. See if that works for you. For the last method, you can go to Startup Apps, and if you see uTorrent in this list right here, then you want to click on uTorrent and then click on Disable, which will now make the status disabled. And uTorrent will not start up automatically when our computer turns on. So we're just going to restart our computer now, and then try again. See if that works.